All right, guys, let's get it going. National Treasures 2015 Multisport Collegiate. Number 21 is the case number. The title said 20, but looking back, I saw that we had our last thing. The last one was number 20. So anyway, this will be titled as number 21, but just so you guys are clear, number 20. So your orders are going to show 20, but this is actually, in fact, number 21. All right, so let's go ahead and get the randomizer going. Guys, thanks so much for the fill. Good luck to everybody. And may the boom be with you all. 3 and 2 make 5. After this, guys, we've got 2 more breaks that are open on the website. Bohm and Sterling still sitting at 18. So I'll probably sign off after this break is over, and then Artie will come back on at about 9:30 and get the eBay breaks going for you guys. And then if they do fill, then Artie can take care of them later on tonight. So go ahead and jump in there. Grab your spots, guys. All right, good luck. Here we go. Rolled a 2, so 5 clicks on all of the names on the checklist. 516 of them. Holy cow. 5. Boom, there it is. 5 clicks. All right, John Stockton at the bottom of the list. And all the way up to Amir Abdullah Oblongata. There he is. All right, so Amir at the top. And Crazy Legs up there near the top, too. Aikman, touchdown, unbelievable. All right, and everybody in. So from Scott to John. Big ups, guys. 3 and 5. So we'll go 8 clicks on everybody in. And then we'll paste. You get 12 per. So we'll paste everybody's name in 12 times after 8. So there it is. Robert up to Scott. Copy. All right, here we go with the pasting. Boom. 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 And what I'm going to do, guys, is create a blog post or a link there where it'll show everybody's players. We'll order it by name, so it's really easy to see all your players, all 12 per spot. And there they go. They matched up at the bottom. So Robert with Stockton. And we'll scroll all the way back up. Bump. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, Scott with Amir. All right, and then we're going to sort that by name. So there's Alex now at the top of the list. All right, I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it into my little window here and create. So there's Travis. Travis is on the bottom of the list, and you scroll back up, you see Alex at the top. All right, make it visible. Click Save. And we'll click that link right there. And there it is. It's viewable. All right, so everyone can click that link right there. Or you can go to our website and click on the News tab. So bomberbreaks.com, if you go to the main drop down there, click on News, boom, it'll be right in there. All right, which I'll do right now. Click News, I'll click on that, and then I'll show everybody's players right there. Whoop, all the way down. All right, and time to bust open the case, guys. Good luck. Clinton, I hear you, man. Sterling is ripe. Ready to launch a whole bunch of autos. Appreciate that. Clinton, that sounds like you're in there ready and waiting. We'll see what happens with it tonight. Worst case scenario, it'll go, I would say, Wednesday. Triple Threads and Absolute is out Wednesday, guys. I will be on, I'd say by 1 o'clock, we'll be fired up. Around that time frame, get that afternoon of boom going in Triple Threads and Absolute. Should be a fun one. All right, guys, here we go. Let's check them out. All right, first card is Braun. Braun to 25. Did not know he went to the U. Hurricanes. Go on the bottom there. Check it out, guys. Larry Legend. 27 of 99. Larry Bird. Larry Bird. Indiana State card right there. And a Devontae Parker out of Louisville. There's a flawless 5 of 10. Boom. Sapphire. Congrats. Devontae Parker owner. Lands a Sapphire. Next up is a Dookie Trio. Okafor, Winslow, and Tyus Jones. 82.99, guys. Same rules apply. You got to own 2 of the 3 on this one. Over 50%. So if somebody owns 2 of the 3, if not, then we will randomize. Number 1 of 99. There's a Josh Donaldson. The Auburn Tiger. Number 1 of 99. Josh Donaldson. Aaron White out of the University of Iowa. 73 of 99. 73 of 99. Aaron White. Bowling Green. Sweet. Rashawn Holmes. 60 of 99. Artie went to Toledo. I heard something in the background there. The Boo Bird. Boo Bird was out. Hey, man. A Bowling Green Falcon in any product is a surprise, isn't he? Rashawn Holmes. There was another good basketball player that went to BG years ago. Oh, wow. 1 of 1. University of Texas running back Ricky Williams. Boom. Very nice. Ricky Williams. Plate. See who gets that one. Ricky Kelly, congrats. Sweet card. And is this the same Mike Davis who's playing for Carolina now, backing up? Gotta be, right? Backing up Christian. 20 out of 99. Mike Davis. South Carolina jersey. Beautiful patch. Autograph there for Mike. And next, good one here for baseball. Walker Buehler. 84 of 99. Buehler. Boom. Nice. Oh, here's a throwback. Sidney Moncrief. 61 of 99. At Arkansas. Sidney Moncrief. Auto jersey piece. Cool. And I got a book, guys. That's a Duke Blue Devil. Got blue and white. Tyus Jones memorabilia. 24 out of 25. 24 to 25. Tyus Jones. Dual man book piece. John. All right, congrats, John. The Duke Trio avoids the randomizer. Thank you, Russ. Another 1 of 1 on the back. 1 of 1. Printing plate. Steve Young, 50 out of 99. BYU. And the plate. Rock Chalk Jayhawk. Andrew Wiggins. 1 of 1. Base plate. Boom. Sweet, man. 2 1-of-1s. 1 per box so far. Sonny Gray, 54 out of 99. Vandy. All right, autograph time. Justin Anderson. This one's 66.99. University of Virginia. Standout. UVA. Hoopster. Justin Anderson. Dual out of Michigan State. We've got Brandon Dawson and Jeremy Langford. 72 out of 99. Sparties. Dawson and Langford. Dansby Swanson. Number 1 pick. Another one out of Vandy. 99 out of 99. Holy cow. There you go. Wow thing. 1 of 1 parallel. Out of 5, here's another one. Hall of Famer. Out of Seton Hall. Craig Biggio. Boom. Sweet. Seton Hall Pirates. They're part of the Big East Conference back in. I was playing the Big East. Seton Hall. Nate Orchard. 74 to 99 autograph. Utah. Nate Orchard. Out of 99. And here is a Louisville. Man, 3 of 99. Montrezl Harrell. Hoops. 65 of 99. Ian Happ. The Bearcats. Ian Happ. 65 of 99. Colossal patch auto. Ian Happ. Cubby. Number 9 of 25. Allen Robinson. Out of Penn State. 9 of 25. Allen Robinson. And the book's got a flying WV on it. Ha ha! Give me some ink. Yes! Kevin White. Mountaineer receiver. Kevin White, 36 of 99. I got to see who wins that one. Oh, man. This guy was so good in college, too. He is still on it. He's on a roster. He's still on a roster. Led the Big 12 with 109 receptions as a senior. All right, box 3 now. Good luck, guys. Oh, there's 2 plates in here, guys. 2 more 101s. 2 more 101s coming. All right, Garrett Cole there. His UCLA garb. 69. No, 62 of 99. 62 of 99. All right, the big unit. Randy Johnson, Southern Cal, 11 of 25. And Otto Graham, 42 of 99. Northwestern. For Otto Graham. Oh, Michigan State. It's a 4 of 5. Dual prime. Jeremy Langford. Langford. 4 of 5. Sparty book piece. Nice low number prime. Ah, this one's cool. Boom! 1 of 5. Stephon Diggs. Out of Maryland. Diggs going to Ed. Great card, Ed. 1 of 5. Sweet. And Alabama. 1 of 1. Prime piece. That's Julio Jones. Boom. Awesome. Julio Jones printing plate. Patch. from his Bama jersey. It includes game-worn material. All right, Dylan Tate /99. UC Santa Barbara baseballer. Dylan Tate. Nice colossal patch auto. And there's Bryce Petty, 77/99. And we got another printing plate. It looks like it's got a G in it. What do we got here? Vanderbilt, number 87. Is that Jordan Matthews? It is. Jordan Matthews. Boom. 1/1 plate patch, if you will. Looks like the L and the T in Vanderbilt. Matthews, number 87. Very nice. Darren Waller now. Georgia Tech, 3/99. Waller autograph. Allen Robinson hits again, 84/99. And up here's a quad. Bregman, Benintendi, Fulmer, and Swanson. Big guns from that rookie class. Draft picks from that year, 2015. 17/99. Set that one aside. Again, Russ, it is Bregman, Benintendi, Fulmer, Swanson. Last box, and it is a doozy. Tolan. All right, guys, good luck. Let's check it out. J.J. Nelson /99. J.J. Nelson and Adrian Peterson. 23/25. And another Randy Johnson. 33/99. Big units. And a flawless diamond card, Dwayne Wade. 2/20. Boom! On the flawless. Second flawless out of Marquette. Dwayne Wade. Congrats. The D. Wade owner. All right. Keenan Allen, relic. 26/49. University of California. Keenan Allen. Team combos. 6/99. Brandon Coach and Drew Smith. Dallas Baptist University. Brandon Coach, Drew Smith duel. And number /99. Got a big trophy named after this one. Fred Biletnikoff. Florida State Seminoles. Boom. That's pretty awesome. Top receiver in college football wins the Biletnikoff Award. He set school records there in receptions, receiving yards, and touchdowns in 1964. And the Seminoles' first consensus All-American. Biletnikoff was. Next, Chichi Gonzalez. Chichi 44/99. Oral Roberts. Yeah. Nice. Chichi. And that's Kelly Oubre Jr. 11/99. Kansas. Oubre Jr. Autograph relic. Man, I tell you what. Vandy. A great team that year. Philip Pfeiffer is this one. 1925 Colossal Patch Auto. Vandy left-hander. Pfeiffer. And here we go. Beautiful card here. The Kentucky man, 14/25. He's had a heck of a career in the NBA. Karl Anthony Towns. Boom! Towns. Man, that's nice. And the last one is dual auto, Bader and Martin. Couple of Gators. Harrison Bader and Richie Martin. 14/45. 14 of 45. So that's another one we may have to randomize. All right, man. Another fun case, man. A lot of nice stuff in there. Guys, congrats to our guy, for those who went boom. All right, so Russ, I know we are going to randomize these two I have on the right side. So to do these guys, I'm going to use a die roll. All right, so on this one, odd left, even right. Odd left, even right. So Dawson left, Langford right. The roll is a 1. So Dawson. Dawson wins the Michigan State card. 72 of 99. The quad, I need an 8-sided die. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bregman, Benintendi, Fulmer, Swanson. And roll to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carson Fulmer. The owner of Fulmer gets this one. $17 of 99. The quad. And this one gets randomized as well. Cool. All right, Russ. Sounds like we're randomizing all these. Got you, man. All right, cool. Thank you. All right, odd left, even right. Right side, Drew Smith. Drew Smith, Dallas Baptist. Combo team materials. And the dual autograph, Bader and Martin, the University of Florida Gators. Odd left, even right. Boom. Left side, Harrison Bader. Harrison Bader. All right, and guys, that'll do it. Thank you all very, very much for jumping in. Number 21, National Treasures Multi. Found a fun break there. Some beautiful cards again. Mixed in as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'm going to have to run 8:57. Time to help get the kiddos in bed. Artie will be back on in about 30 minutes. And Artie, how's it looking, man? I just saw something come through about being cursed.
Yeah, we're having lots of technical issues with eBay right now.
All right, well, what, are we talking about some like payment issues or probably just technology?
No, technology.
All right, so technology, you guys are in the eBay thing. It might take a little extra time. We'll see. Oh no. Anyway, yeah, we're missed. So what's happening is, sounds like Artie, you guys are winning the auctions, but eBay's not processing it and not telling us who won the auctions, right? Like we don't know who won auctions yet. So
the black break, it just all of a sudden stops.
Okay. So the first two baseball ones, hopefully things kind of can correct themselves. But anyway, just so you guys are aware what's going on, there could be something weird with eBay. If you, I'm curious, is anybody in the chat right now, have you guys gotten know that you won? Josh, when you were asking about Panini Black, that's where it shut off. Like we don't know who's won what, really, from that point. So anyway, all right. Well, I should probably stop recording. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. That's a wrap. All right. See, thank you guys.